Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn a new Spanish idiom. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and to download amazing flashcard sets. They're very helpful. There are 3 sets right now available on smlessons.com. And check them out because they're very easy to download. You can get one today. You can print them out, laminate them, carry them with you anywhere and learn Spanish on the go. Also, you can get a membership on this channel. Check out all the perks because you can learn more Spanish that way, and also you will support this channel. That's pretty great. It's a win-win situation. Okay, now let's learn a new Spanish idiom. The Spanish idiom of the day is meter en líos. Meter en líos. So, yeah, do you know what this means? This means to get into trouble or to get in trouble. Also, the literal translation is to put into trouble. So essentially you're putting yourself into trouble, right? You get into a situation where it's a very difficult one and you're pretty much a troublemaker, essentially. So meter en líos, meter en líos. You can use this phrase when someone or if you are always in trouble. Okay, let's see the first example. Miguel siempre se mete en líos. Miguel siempre se mete en líos. This means Miguel always gets in trouble. So once again, Miguel is doing something sketchy. Oh, Miguel, you're always doing something. Miguel siempre, Miguel always, se mete en líos, gets in trouble. So we can see Miguel here, but also we see se. We're double saying that Miguel is the one who is getting in trouble. Remember, se is a Spanish pronoun. If you have any questions about that, we can talk about it in a different lesson. Okay. Miguel siempre se mete en líos. Miguel always gets in trouble. Let's see another example. No me gusta meterme en líos. No me gusta meterme en líos. This means I don't like getting into trouble. So, yeah. Meterme en líos, getting into trouble. No me gusta. No me gusta, I don't like. Meterme en líos, getting into trouble. In this sentence, we're saying that I don't like trouble, I don't like to have a difficult life. I don't like to get into trouble or get in trouble. Okay. Let's see another example. Mis amigos siempre me meten en líos. Mis amigos siempre me meten en líos. This means my friends always get me in trouble. Mis amigos, my friends, siempre, always, me meten en líos, get me in trouble. Okay? In this situation, the reason why someone is in trouble is because of friends, because someone has some bad friends. And yeah, we can see that meter en líos is at the end of the sentence, and here as well, and here as well. Usually you can have this idiom at the end of sentences. Of course, it depends on the situation. Okay, now let's see another 3 examples, okay? So we see how this idiom is used in Spanish. María es una buena persona. Nunca se mete en líos. María es una buena persona. Nunca se mete en líos. This means Maria is a good person. She never gets in trouble. María is una buena, a good persona. Person. Nunca, never, se mete en líos. She gets in trouble. So she never gets in trouble. Remember that we don't have the personal pronoun ella right here because in Spanish you don't need to say personal pronouns as often as you do in English. So because we know we're talking about Maria here, we don't need to say that she never gets in trouble. So we don't need ella, okay? So that's why we don't have it here. You could say it. You can say ella nunca se mete en líos, but in Spanish, people don't use personal pronouns too often. We use them, but not too often. Okay, let's see another example. Los niños se metieron en muchos líos. Los niños se metieron en muchos líos. This means the kids got into a lot of trouble. Okay, so we see some rascals. We see that there are some kids or boys that are in a lot of trouble. Los niños, the kids, se metieron en, got into, muchos líos, a lot of trouble. So we can see here the phrase or the idiom that we are learning. Los niños se metieron en muchos líos. The kids got into a lot of trouble. And we can see that you can add more words in between the idiom. So we're saying a lot of, muchos líos. So that's an adverb. And yeah, you can use adverbs in this idiom. And you can say muchos, poquitos. But yeah, in this situation, we're saying a lot of. So yeah, they're troublemakers for sure. Okay, and lastly, the last example. Siempre me metía en líos cuando era niña. Siempre me metía en líos cuando era niña. This means I always got into trouble when I was a girl. So, yeah. Siempre me, I always, metía en líos, got into trouble, cuando, when, era niña. I was a girl. And yeah, that's the meaning of the sentence. We can see metía en líos right here, and that's in past tense. And also we can see that the idiom is in the middle of the sentence. So once again, you can have it in the middle of the sentence or at the end of a sentence. Also, in some situations, you can have it in the beginning of the sentence. This idiom is pretty flexible. Okay, that's it for today. As we can see, the Spanish idiom of the day is meter en líos, and it means to get in trouble or to get into trouble. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about this idiom in the comment section down below. Also, remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and to purchase some amazing flashcard sets. They're available on smlessons.com and on my Etsy shop. If you're interested in supporting this channel, you can get a membership, and all the perks are right here. You will learn more Spanish if you get one, and also you will be supporting this channel. Another way to support this channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. You can also donate to this channel through PayPal. am leaving a link to that in the video description down below. I forgot to say, if you want to get a membership, just click on the join button down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!